How to fix Teams cannot send message. First things first, what you can do is try to clear the cache of the application itself. Open your device's app drawer, locate the Teams application icon, and long press it until this pop-up window opens up. Tap on this I option to open the app info panel, scroll down to the storage and cache. Then proceed to clear the cache from here. Want to do this, you simply have to now go ahead and relaunch your application and your problem should be fixed. Or what you can also do is simply go ahead and launch the Microsoft Teams application on your device, tap on your profile icon on the top right corner. Once again, tap on your profile or simply head to the settings panel. Now, once you're here within the settings panel, scroll down and you will find the sign out option. Go ahead and tap on this, then tap OK, and once again, re-log into your account and your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.